Hi everyone, welcome to Simple Things. If you ever tried making a cake and it flopped and swore to yourself I'll never make a cake again, but again you tried and failed, then this video is for you. I'm sharing a no-fail cake recipe in today's video, and trust me, it's not just another cake video. Cake is all about the correct measurement, baking temperature. Then also there can be 100 reasons for your cake to fail. Right, so the best way to avoid that is to buy an instant cake mix. In that, the quantity of ingredients are already added in the correct ratio. But one problem with instant cake mix is that its taste is not as good as a normal cake. So, in today's video, I'm sharing a no-fail, full taste guaranteed instant cake recipe, both vanilla and chocolate. So, let's make a no-fail cake. In my experience, this Betty Crocker cake mix is the best one, which gave an absolute no-fail result. This one is having an actual texture and taste of a normal sponge cake. This cake mixture works best if you're using a conventional oven, but if you're having a microwave, or if you want to cook in a cooker, and then you should choose according to that. In my experience, the best cake mix which works best in cooker is the Wakefield cake mix. So if you don't have an oven, if you want to try a cake in stove top, the best option I'll suggest is Wakefield cake mix. But if you have a conventional oven, then this one is the best one in the market. I'm using small 6-inch cake tin so that I can make 2 cakes with this 475 gram of cake mix. But if you're using larger pan, then you can make 1 cake. To check if it is cooked properly inside out, you should insert a toothpick and see if it comes out clean. Then your cake has cooked perfectly.